Good evening, everybody. If you can hear me loud and clear, just give me a yes in the chat box. Great. Share 3 things about yourself: your name, your city, and something you are very passionate about. Yes, just share 3 things in the chat box: your name, your city, and one thing which you are very, very passionate about. Wow, so I have 2 responses from Mr. R.N. Tiwari and Mr. Rajiv Lochna. Thank you for answering, and I am waiting for others to answer. Jayashri Kotak. Welcome, Jayashri. Neeraj, hi. And Neeraj, what are you passionate about? Yes, I will speak in Hindi and English both. ठीक है, तो डोंट वरी, दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में बात करेंगे और ज्यादा हिंदी में ही करेंगे. एंड आई थिंक हम सबको हिंदी समझ में आती है. एनीवन हियर जिसको कि हिंदी कम समझ में आती है एंड वुड प्रेफर इंग्लिश? एनीबडी हियर? Okay, we will do that. Wow, welcome Alma. You know, one of my very, very favorite teachers shifted to Philippines about 15 years back, and I've been planning to visit Philippines since then, but somehow that's one country which always evades me. Welcome, nice to see you here. Great. Definitely, Alma, I understand. So I will do it in English and Hindi both. I will repeat almost every sentence, and still if you do not understand anything, feel free to ask your questions. So a few things quickly about this webinar. As you can see, we are very few people in the webinar, and that's the way I like it, so that I can answer your questions properly. Right? So आप लोग अपने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस. राइट नाउ इन दिस कोविड सिचुएशन, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक that managing your diabetes well is the prime thing we have to do? आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों को यह लगता है कि आज के कोविड सिचुएशन में अगर हम नहीं डायबिटीज मैनेज करेंगे तो दैट्स बीन वेरी फुलिश? Right. So let's start, and every 10-12 minutes I will take up questions. So please feel free and keep writing your questions in the chat box so that I can answer them in between. Perfect. Okay. And here is my, yes. Okay. Yes. Can you see my screen? If you can see my screen, just give me a yes in the chat box. Great. So let's see what some people are saying about us.
Hi, this is Namita Sachdev and I'm a TV anchor by profession. And हम सब ये जानते ही हैं कि फिटनेस कितनी ज़रूरी होती है. लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट द बीइंग फिट, है ना. और उसके लिए हम बहुत सारी कोशिशें भी करते रहते हैं. खास करके लड़कियों को तो लगता है बहुत पतले होना चाहिए ना, फिट होना चाहिए. तो लेकिन आज आफ्टर 3 months ऑफ फॉलोइंग दैट डाइट चार्ट, आई एम रियलाइजिंग, नोटिसिंग दैट वजन जो है वो ऑलरेडी कि तुमने वजन कम कर लिया है. बहुत अच्छा लगता है सुन के, है ना.
This 21-day detox program by Preeti was really good. It was icing on the cake because in the lockdown I could try new dishes. I had the time to do that. And I've been trying a lot of diets before. I've been very regular in gym, but nothing was working. It was not only losing weight, which I lost about 2.5 kgs in these 21 days. It was that I was feeling better. I was feeling light and the headaches had gone. And I think there was a little glow on my face too. So I would say, because the positive energy which Preeti infuses in you, she makes you feel special. She makes you feel that you are worth it. Thank you so much, Preeti.
Thank
Probably
you,
about
Nish.
2.5 months I was having this very bad pain in the abdomen. So I was taking all the kind of first self medication. पेट का दर्द दे लो, मेडिकल शॉप में पूछ के ले लिया. सो ही सेड कि अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स इंक्रीज द डोज एंड इंक्रीज द ड्यूरेशन. तो 7 days का एंटीबायोटिक भी किया एंड इट डिडंट गो आउट. सो लास्ट वीक व्हेन आई told you, like, I was in severe pain. I was in Faridabad and I was not able to concentrate in my meeting and it's like totally down. I was not knowing क्या हो रहा है. And you asked me to do the abdominal ultrasound and other tests. और अल्ट्रासाउंड पहले जो अदर टेस्ट किया था उसमें कुछ नहीं निकला था. सो वंस वी डिड द IG whatever on your recommendation, and after taking the medication for allergy which you given for the last 3 days, it has been actually sorted out. I mean, I'm still on medication, but पिछले 3 दिनों में मुझे कितना comfort मिला ना, so that I have not had in the long probably in the last 1 month or so. So get to a doctor who can actually get to the root cause, not on a superficial level. So this is what I want to say, कि get proper diagnosis done by good doctor.
And हम सब ये जान.
So beat diabetes with Bent's approach. How many of you know what is Bent's approach? Anybody who knows what is Bent's approach? Yes, how many of you know what is Bent's approach? Great. So Bent's approach is the approach which I use to reverse my diabetes and obesity. right? It is a lifestyle approach, and this will not fail you. Why? Because this is very, very personalized to you. And how many of you actually believe that we now need personalized medicine to stay healthy? I definitely believe in it now, and it is now you have to vote for your health, and that you can see on my slide behind, and say that you also need personalized approach. So we will talk about Bent's approach today, which is breathing, exercise, nutritional supplements, diet, and stress and sleep. Right? Unless you focus on all these 5, 6 things, and unless you make sure that all of them are customized to your body, your lifestyle, your situation, we will not be able to reverse diabetes and obesity. Right? So one thing, which really irritates me or puts me off is when people say, eat this supplement, ये एक supplement खा लो and आपका sugar बिल्कुल चकाचक खत्म हो जाएगा, right? So eat this supplement and your sugar will just reverse. And there are people who say, just do yoga and you will be all right. And there are people who say, just take medicines and keep your sugar in control and you will be all right. Right? But what I have seen is, unless friends you work on all these 5, 6 parameters, your body does not come in balance. And when your body does not come in balance, your sugar levels don't balance, your weight doesn't normalize. Right? And I'm not saying this by reading books. I am saying this because I did it. Right? And just to show you how I did this, I'll show this video to you a little later. Let's go to some more slides first. So what are we going to talk today? We are going to talk about root cause of diabetes. How many of you think that if you keep doing things superficially, it's all right? You don't have to go to the root cause. How many of you think you don't have to go to the root cause? आपको root cause पे नहीं जाने की जरूरत है और आप बस superficially काम करोगे और हो जाएगा. आप में से कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगता है? Details of 5 pillars of Bent's framework we will discuss. We will also talk about diet and exercise protocol, and I will offer you a full 9-day hand-holding program so that you can set and personalize your Bent's approach for your own self. And of course, a complete overview of that program. End of diabetes. Who can help you end diabetes? Yes, I think, yes, कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. So, who can help you end diabetes, friends? Only you yourself. So, the line which I've written, please write it on a pen or paper or on your screen. एक बार आप इसको लिख लीजिए. End of diabetes. You are the only person who can be responsible for normalizing your blood sugars. You know, all those people who keep telling you, please ye kha le, please wo kha le, what will happen if you don't eat? They are not going to help you bring your sugar levels down. Right? So for those who don't know me, I'm Dr. Preeti Nanda Sibal, mother to 2 boys, 25 and 23, and wife to a loving husband. I am an MBBS pass out from Amritsar Medical College. Prestigious Amritsar Medical College. I would see whatever I am today, thanks to the college that I am here. A functional medicine expert from George Washington University, US. I've done my fellowship in anti-aging and nutritional medicine. I'm an author of 3 books now: Cyclic Keto, 4-Hour Rapid Fat Loss Method, and What Doctors Should Know About Diabetes Reversal. And of course, I want to be and am a personal diabetes and obesity reversal expert to you guys. So congratulations all of you to have taken this first step to take care of your health. And you know health is in your hands, and time to start taking care of your health is now. And I thought when COVID first wave came, that was the time when we all became aware of our health, right? But now with the COVID 2 wave, I think a little more has to be done. Yes, and thank you for joining me for this webinar to do that little more. We all know India is becoming the diabetes capital of the world, right? And diabetes can lead to all these complications: sleep apnea, hypertension, high cholesterol, dyspnea, excess weight, addictions, gastrointestinal symptoms and whatnot. Insulin resistance can take the life out of your life, I promise you that, friends. The only thing is you keep taking medicines and you don't realize why you are feeling so low and unwell. Okay. So, I am posting a checklist in the chat box, and I am going to give you 5 minutes. Please click on this link and fill the checklist. I think all of you have been able to open the checklist. And while you are filling your form,
Hi, this is Namita Sachdev and I'm a TV anchor by profession. And हम सब ये जानते ही हैं कि Hi, this is Namita Sachdev and I'm a TV.
so any one of you who has been able to open the checklist, just watch this video for a minute, friends. So friends, this is a very, very grave situation we are in. Very, very grave. So, has anyone been able to open the checklist? So I have shared here, this is the checklist. I've shared the link in the chat box. Okay, you can't see it. Thank you. Here you go. Please, can you see the checklist now? Thank you. I think it was only marked to panelists first, so you were not able to see it. It will just take you 1 minute. Just click on the link and see where do we stand right now. And the moment you fill it, please give me a yes in the chat box. Thank you, Michael. So the moment you are done with this, just give me a thumbs up or a hi in the chat box. Okay. So friends, after knowing where do you stand, are you ready to climb the ladder to transform yourself? If you are ready, give me a thumbs up in the chat box. One more thumbs up, guys. If you are ready to understand your problem more. Okay, so as you saw friends in my video that functional medicine approach helped me. मुझे functional medicine approach ने help किया अपना diabetes reverse करने में, right? तो functional medicine approach and conventional medicine, what is the difference between these two types of medicine? I think they are just made for different diseases. Both are important, both are valuable. Conventional medicine is made for all infectious diseases, for surgeries, for emergency. If you have very severe pain or you have met with an accident or your sp2O2 has gone down below 85, what will you do? You will go to a functional medicine doctor or a conventional medicine? Conventional medicine, right? So that's very important. But at the same time, if you have diabetes, hypertension, irritable bowel syndrome, rheumatoid arthritis, depression, any other mental disease, where will you go to? A functional medicine doctor. Why? Because conventional medicine is disease oriented, and whenever the disease is from outside, जब भी disease बाहर से होती है तो conventional medicine works wonderfully. It is doctor centered. You go to the doctor, doctor gives you a prescription or medicines and you're done. Everyone is treated same. For diabetes we will have 4 medicines and you will get 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4, right? Specialized, very specialized. You will have to go to a neurologist, to a physician, to a surgeon, to a psychiatrist. Lot of specialization there. Diagnosis is based on symptoms and early detection of disease. Whereas what is functional medicine? Functional medicine basically works on your functioning of your body, right? It is health oriented. We don't work on disease. So I tell my people, come to me before you fall so sick that you have to go to a conventional medicine doctor, right? It is patient centric. Every patient is different and every patient has to be treated differently. It is holistic. As I told you, it is Bent's approach. Even if I leave breathing and I don't focus on that, I will not be able to give you the perfect solution. Biochemical individuality, your genetic makeup, all of that is considered in functional medicine. Toxins, whether you have toxins or not, so whatever. And it is a preventative approach, means if you follow this approach, you might never fall sick. So as I told you, in functional medicine approach to tackle diabetes, we work on these 5 parameters. We focus on your gut health. Generally, it has been found that diabetics have, less bifidobacter, and when we give them good prebiotic, probiotic foods and help them clean their gut, their sugar levels come down. In fact, I do this gut health program, which is a 1-month program online in groups. Almost every diabetic who joins that program brings his or her sugar levels down. Yes, they don't completely reverse it, because other 4 things are also to be done, right? So diet, very important. And please let me tell you friends, a diabetic diet is a diet which a normal human being should be eating. So don't be scared what diet you will get. No, it is something which every human being should be eating. So all your family members can eat that. Exercise, very important. But you will know some facts in the coming slides which will shock you, and I promise you that. So please don't leave, hang on till the end. Sleep. 1 day of irregular sleep can make you insulin resistant. If you have heard me right, please give me in the chat box. How many days of irregular resistance? कितने दिन आपको, अगर आप कितने दिन खराब नींद सोते हैं तो आपको इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो सकता है? हाउ मेनी डेज? अगर आप एक भी दिन, 1 नाइट, अगर इफ यू डोंट स्लीप प्रॉपरली, अगर आप ठीक से नहीं सोते हैं तो आपको इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो सकता है. एंड इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, व्हाट हैपेंस देन? इट लीड्स टू डायबिटीज. सो हम में से बहुत सारे डायबिटिक्स जो हैं वो बहुत साल पहले इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो जाते हैं. सो अ लॉट ऑफ डायबिटिक्स अमंग अस, they become insulin resistant much before they become a diabetic. And you know what is one way to find out whether you are insulin resistant or not? If you've gained weight around your tummy, if you've gained visceral fat, if you've gained abdominal obesity, अगर आपने अपने पेट के आसपास वेट गेन किया है, अगर आपका एब्डोमिनल ओबेसिटी है, मेजॉरिटी केसेस में वो इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस की वजह से होता है. सो इन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द केसेस इट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस, राइट? Alleviate stress. We will see in the coming slides how stress can actually, make you a diabetic overnight. रातों रात आपकी परेशानी आपको कैसे डायबिटिक बना देती है, आगे की हम स्लाइड्स में देखेंगे. So what do we do in functional medicine? हम functional medicine में करते क्या है? रूट कॉज ऑफ द डिजीज ढूंढते हैं. अब रूट कॉज में क्या क्या आता है? ऑल दिस, गट हेल्थ है, स्ट्रेस है, स्लीप इरेगुलरिटीज हैं, एक्सरसाइज है, डाइट है. ऑल दीज आर द बेसिक रीजंस ऑफ गट हेल्थ. टॉक्सिक इमोशनल थॉट्स हैं, टॉक्सिन्स इन योर बॉडी है, राइट? फैमिली हिस्ट्री है, जेनेटिक मेकअप है. ऑल दीज आर कंसिडर्ड. And then we do rigorous laboratory testing. When I say rigorous, what do I mean? We check fasting insulin, PP insulin, fasting cortisol in almost all our patients. हम अपने सब patients में fasting insulin, fasting cortisol, PP insulin check करते हैं. हम अपने सब patients में homocysteine check करते हैं, पता करने के लिए कि patient का detoxification कैसा है. How is the patient's detoxification process? We do HbA1c, we do vitamin D for every patient because I think आप सबको पता है कि vitamin D की deficiency आपको diabetic बना सकती है. And that's a very very simple deficiency to correct it, right? So please don't be deficient in vitamin D. And especially during corona times, keep your vitamin D at good levels, 70-80, right? Please do that. And of course, then with supplements, we treat type 2 diabetes and we help you reverse it. So what is the functional medicine triangle for diabetes? Functional medicine triangle क्या है हमारा diabetes के लिए? nutrition and digestion, very important, sleep, cravings, medications. So medicines such as statins, which you take to lower your cholesterol, actually it can make you diabetic, right? Toxins, you will be surprised. I am seeing toxins in so many patients these days, and unless you take out toxins, it is very, very difficult to lead a healthy life. Stress, and it seems, ऐसा लगता है कि हमने तो स्ट्रेस से मैरिज ही कर ली है. We have married stress because we don't let it go away. We keep it with us day and night, right? दिन रात हम इसको अपने पास रखते हैं, हम इसको जाने देते ही नहीं है ना. Now what does this lead to? How many of you think there are going to be no certificates for this? This is just for knowledge, for your own knowledge, to reverse your own condition. So what happens with diabetes is there is inflammation in the body, fire. There is increased oxidation in the body, means bad things are more in the body, less are good, and insulin imbalance is there. ये तीन चीजें अगर आप बैलेंस कर लोगे तो आपका डायबिटीज रिवर्स हो जाएगा. So friends, is diabetes reversible? Please give me in the chat box. Do you think diabetes is reversible? Who thinks diabetes is reversible? Yes, it is. अब तो बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बोल रहे हैं. And in my book, which you will find on Amazon very soon, I think maybe next week, is going to talk about it, that, you know, now everybody should start talking about the fact that type 2 diabetes is reversible. Okay? So type 2 diabetes is reversible. So let's look at what is Bend's approach. On the left you can see, and this is what this my wish for all of you is, one day you would love to say, I used to have diabetes. Right? Like I say that with a lot of confidence. I used to have diabetes, but I don't have it now. Right? So breathing, exercise, nutritional supplements, diet, and stress and sleep. Will you want to know why I was so scared when I had diabetes? Anybody who will want to know कि मैं क्यों इतना डर गई जब मुझे डायबिटीज हुआ 5 साल पहले, 6 साल पहले? किसी को जानना ही है? No? So let's continue. So look at this. Journal of Stress Physiology says if you do 3 times breathing for 3 months, 3 times deep breathing, it increases your lung capacity and decreases your HbA1c. मतलब अगर आप दिन में 3 बार 3 ब्रेथ्स डीप सांस के लेते हैं तो 3 महीने में आपकी लंग कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है और आपका HbA1c और ऑक्सीडेटिव स्ट्रेस कम हो जाता है. इंडियन जर्नल ऑफ मेडिकल रिसर्च में 2010 में they did a 45-day program and showed that only by changing breathing you can improve your insulin resistance. And Indian Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism 2012 में उन्होंने they showed that decreased stress reduces blood pressure, reduces lactic acid, improves energy, serotonin, and hence improves diabetes management. So क्या देखा उन्होंने कि अगर स्ट्रेस कम करते हैं तो ब्लड प्रेशर कम होता है, लैक्टिक एसिड कम होता है, फिजिकल एनर्जी होती है, सेरोटोनिन कम होता है, बढ़ता है, और इसलिए डायबिटीज बेटर होता है. What more proof do we want? Now this is amazing. Not every diabetic should exercise in the morning and not every diabetic should exercise in the evening. Right? Please know what time fits your body. Don't do it otherwise because it can have negative impact. right? So please make sure that you know what is the time you should do it, whether it increases Jones effect, and core exercises are very, very important. Strength training is very important, and there is a mix of exercises which you must do for diabetes. Now comes functional foods, or foods which should be packed as nutritional supplements for you guys. Spirulina, tulsi, drumstick, that is moringa, green vegetables, methi seeds and cinnamon, right? These are very important for all diabetic patients or insulin resistance patients. Then comes the supplements. Those were the foods, functional foods: cinnamon, berberine and alpha lipoic acid. Friends, these are the 3 supplements मैं strongly promote करती हूँ, लोगों को बोलती हूँ लो, but of course after consultation, because you might have a different cause, but these really help in insulin resistance and diabetes. Now, stress and sleep. आपका stress कम होता है, when your stress goes down, your sleep improves. How many of you agree with this? Generally, we are not able to sleep well because our stress, we are not able to part with our stress, right? The moment हम stress कम करते हैं, हमें नींद अच्छी हो जाती है. So there is a 3-minute framework which I have created for this, and which I will share with you in the program. So friends, you have 2 choices now. One choice is that you keep trying to hit the center like this and keep trying to reverse your diabetes on your own, right? And I'm sure you all have tried to some extent. And second choice is that you can ask for help, seek help from me or from somebody else. So one is you sit like this, look at all your reports and do it. Second is do like him, who came to me I think 5 years back. He was 92.6 kgs and he lost 10 kgs, but most importantly his sugar levels became normal after this program. Do you know we have $1 billion? How many of you think your body is worth $1 billion or more? I'm not getting any answers. Can you hear me? Okay, thank you. I thought, so do you think your body is $1 billion worth? Absolutely, maybe more than that, right? But do you think we actually take care of our body more than that diamond ring or that car which we drive? हम किसका ज्यादा ख्याल रखते हैं? वो गाड़ी, कार और diamond ring or our body? So yes, our body is worth more than $1 billion. You know why? क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी इतने सारे काम हर सेकंड कर रही होती है जितने साल हम लाइफ में रहते हैं. So our body is doing these many processes all the time, from the day we are born to the day we die. And unfortunately, we rarely say thank you to our body, right? So maybe let's all take 5 seconds and say thank you to our body and all our parts, which actually functions so beautifully to make our life happy and enjoyable. Yes, Ajay, you are very right. We have got lost in the financials, and that is the irony. And that is the irony, and we all are facing it. We all are facing this situation because of this, because of whatever we have done, So let's look why I say that we have more than a $1 billion body. I really like this video, so every time, I want to, yes, remind myself I watched this video. So I thought let me watch it with you guys today.
Imagine that you own $1 million racehorse. A horse worth $1 million. Would you let that horse stay up all night, work all day, drink alcohol, smoke cigarettes, and eat junk food? No? Okay, would you treat a $20 dog like that?
No?
How about a $2 cat?
No?
No? Well, why do you treat me like that? Oh, hi. It's your body here. Allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm the home that you've always lived in. Surely you remember we grew up together. And I'm writing this letter because I feel neglected in this relationship. Very disappointed in what I've been seeing. With your ambition to make money, you sacrifice my well-being, which makes no sense in the least. Because when I get sick, you sacrifice that same money to recuperate me. And what's even more ironic is, with all your interest in profit, you can't even see the truth. That I'm worth over $1 billion. Don't believe me? Okay, I'll prove it. If someone came to you with a check for $1 million, right, and said, here, all I want in return is your eyesight. You will never be able to see another sunset for the rest of your natural life. Would you take that deal? Okay, let's up the bid. Suppose he had a check for $10 million instead. And if you accepted, you would no longer have use of your arms or legs. Would you take that deal? I can answer that for you. No. See, those are silly options because you know that as your body, I am worth over $1 billion. And don't get me started with the heart. I mean, if I was a company, right? This heart wouldn't get employee of the month. It would get employee of the life. Because throughout your entire existence as a person, your heart never stops working. Even when you're sleeping, it doesn't stop beating. That's every second, every minute, every day. And come to think of it, I can't recall you ever saying thanks. Anyway, I don't want this to come off as rude. Just asking for a little attention here, dude. I know you try to make me look perfect when you're Instagramming, but we both know you've been taking me for granted. Consider this an opportunity. After this video ends, don't...
Isn't this a beautiful video? How many of you like this video? Yes, we only realize when our body gives way, Ajay, and that's the time we tell everybody, take whatever I have, just save me, I want to feel healthy, right? But when there is time, we don't do it. And look at our body, it functions so beautifully for all the years. So this is my patient who was on insulin, and she could stop insulin after 25-30 years. You can go on my YouTube and check this out. My YouTube is Food, Medicine and Lies, and I will share the link in the group. So friends, you have two choices, and both the choices will make you successful. Have me by your side for 9 days and help set your Bend's approach protocol for you, or walk your path alone. And in both ways, I promise you friends, just the awareness that all of it has to be done together is going to take you to the next level. But what I am offering here is 9 days program to reverse diabetes with Bend's approach. So this is Gurrit. It's a very premium hospital, and she was told by the #1 diabetologist of North, I won't name the person, the doc, that she will be on metformin lifelong. 3 months of my program, she lost weight, she left metformin, she was off her BP medicines and feeling wow. You will also learn the 3 minutes framework for stress. You will start living a stress-free life, I can promise you that. We will give you diet plans for diabetes, we will give you recipes, and we will also monitor and measure your sugar levels properly for the next 9 days, so that you get to know what is it that you have to do to know where you stand today. You will also get to know time you should exercise and relationship between food and exercise, and also the fact that 20 to 30 minutes a day is enough. You don't have to do it for too long, but yes, you have to do it what suits you, not somebody else. We start from Thursday, 22nd April 2021 at 8 p.m. and we end on 1st of May. 9 days, and what you will get in that, your sugar levels will decrease. You will not completely reverse your sugar in 9 days, for the simple reason that you will get into the habit, and over the period of 3 months, I promise you, you will reverse it, because that's happened with all the people who've registered in this program with me. You will lose weight, you will see increase in energy levels, you will have happy mood and better relationships. How important is that in today COVID times, right? We will have 3 online 1-hour meetings where we will discuss one-on-one about your situation. And I don't take a lot of people, they're generally 6 to 10 people in the group. So everybody gets an opportunity to discuss in detail everything with me. And what happens when somebody else is discussing, you realize a lot of things which you don't even realize about yourself. So it is phenomenal the type of change which it can bring. It is a detox plan, of course. You will get recipes and 3 diet plans. So this is Anand, you heard him in the beginning also. When he came to me, his fasting sugar levels were always 370 to 385. And you know, his fasting sugar levels are always 80 to 85. I left him about 1.5 years back, and 3 months back I checked on him and he said, Doc, you know, since then I've never had to eat any medicine. I am maintaining my sugar levels. And this is so phenomenal. So phenomenal. I can't tell you. So are you guys ready to reverse your diabetes? Yourself or with me? वो अलग question है, आप अपने साथ करोगे या मेरे साथ? But क्या आप ready हो reverse करने के लिए अपना diabetes? Are you ready? Thank you, Alma. I really love that video. Every time I forget about my health and start taking it for granted, I go back to that video. So friends, this 9 days program is worth 11,000. But anybody who registers before Thursday will get it for 7,500. But anybody who registers right now, today, right, before the day ends today, that is 12 p.m. at night, you will get it only for 5,000. I am going to post this InstaMojo link here. In the chat box. Just give me a minute. Yes. Okay. This is it. You can also Google Pay at, and if you need bank details, you can let me know and we can share that. Google Pay this number. Until the time you are deciding, one is, do go on my YouTube channel and look at the testimonials from these programs. I'm sure you've seen some in the group which we have created, but go on the YouTube channel and see their honest feedback. Second, my fasting sugar levels came down from 200 to 162 in 9 days, and PP from 260 to 190. And this lady had been trying for last 5-6 years. I had been waiting for so many years to see this change. And now she is much better. Let me tell you, her sugar levels have come down to 140. Now, this is again another message from another participant, Renuka. Sugar levels from 104 to 83, but she is feeling much more energetic. And friends, you know what? I have reversed my diabetes. And I can promise you, you can do that too. And my favorite sweet is gulab jamun. So I have made this with the gulab jamun. And I don't know with what you will want to make this.
और मैं आज आपसे ये बात करना चाह रही हूँ कि मैं अब गुलाब जामुन खा सकती हूँ। वेरी टेस्टी, मज़ा आ गया। बहुत सालों बाद मैं दोबारा गुलाब जामुन खाने की हिम्मत कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैं अब डायबिटिक नहीं हूँ। पर जो एक चीज़ मैं हमेशा फॉलो करती हूँ जब मुझे अब मीठा खाना होता है, मैं बहुत ओकेजनली खाती हूँ। अगर मुझे खाने का मन करे तो मैं या उसे स्नैक्स की जगह खाती हूँ। जैसे कि अभी 12 बजे हैं, मैं 1:30 बजे अपना लंच करूँगी, तो आज एज अ स्नैक मेरा गुलाब जामुन खाने का मन किया, इसलिए मैं गुलाब जामुन खा रही हूँ। सेकेंड, मैं खाना के बाद कभी भी मीठा नहीं खाती हूँ। आप जानना चाहेंगे क्यों? क्योंकि मीठा हमें कैलोरीज देता है, हमारी बॉडी से ज़्यादा काम करवाता है, खास तौर पे लिवर से, हमारा शुगर बढ़ाता है, पर एक और बहुत बड़ा काम करता है, हमारा बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट कम कर देता है। बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट क्या होता है? बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट वो कैलोरीज है जो हमारी बॉडी अपना नॉर्मल फंक्शन करने के लिए यूज़ करती है। अगर हमारा BMR बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट 1200 किलो कैलोरीज है, तो हम 1200 किलो कैलोरीज तक खाकर भार नहीं बढ़ाते हैं। अगर हम उससे ज़्यादा खाते हैं तो हमारा भार बढ़ता है। इसलिए अपना BMR ज़्यादा रखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि we enjoy food, we love food and we are foodies। तो याद रहे, मीठा आप खा सकते हैं, डायबिटीज़ रिवर्स कर सकते हैं, और जब भी मीठा खाएं तो कैसे खाएं? या तो एज स्नैक या फिर खाने से पहले। ऑल द बेस्ट। फिर
So if I can do it, I think everybody can do it. It's just that we need friends, we need mentors to guide us, and that's it. So this is from Mrs. Vijay, who said my sugars yesterday were 99. I can't believe it. My insulin units have dropped down by 10 units in 9 days. Feeling energetic and strongly recommend this program. Rithanda, type 1 diabetic, right? Thank you, friends. And if you have any questions, I am here. Please feel free to ask your questions. Yes. Alma, it is Indian rupees. Yes, so at 61, so I think आपका ना नाम नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे, 1+ करके आ रहा है। 61 ईयर्स पे अभी आपके कम से कम देखिए 25, 30, 35 साल उम्र के पड़े हुए हैं। इफ यू कैन विद इंसुलिन, अगर आपका 108 135 है, तो पहली चीज तो ये है कि आपको ये तो समझना चाहिए इस प्रोग्राम को ज्वाइन करके दैट व्हाट इज इट दैट यू आर नॉट डूइंग करेक्टली. अपना बेंच अप्रोच सेट करना चाहिए एंड देन वी शुड सी आप कितना अपना पहले तो इसको कितना 108 तक ला सकते हैं एंड देन आप इंसुलिन कितना कम कर सकते हैं. So anybody who wants to talk, please raise your hands and I will give you the opportunity to talk. You can ask me your questions there. Yes, Ishwar, you had raised your hand. Ishwar, you've raised your hand. Please, if you have any question, you can ask. Oh, Mr. Tiwari, right. Thank you, Mr. Tiwari. So, Mr. Tiwari, I would definitely love to work with you. You must set your bench approach in these 9 days and then see, you know, how much better you feel. Yes, Suman. Mr. Ishwar Sharma.
About 300.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you. What's your question? आप कुछ पूछ रहे थे मिस्टर ईश्वर?
Ma'am, I'll call you afterwards.
ओके, डेफिनेटली मिस्टर तिवारी, हिंदी में ही ज्यादा बात होगा, दोनों में होगा, उसमें 1 to 1 होगा, आपका सब सवाल हिंदी में ही आंसर होगा, राइट? मिस्टर ईश्वर, अब I was not able to hear what you were saying.
Ma'am, I'll call you afterwards.
Okay, Mr. Ishwar, sure.
Thank you.
थैंक यू. सो तिवारी जी, इसका 5000 रुपीज चार्ज है अगर आप आज पे करते हैं रात से पहले. अगर आप पे करते हैं थर्सडे से पहले, क्लास थर्सडे को 8 बजे होगी पहली क्लास, तो 7500 है. और पे करने के लिए तिवारी जी आप या तो ऊपर मैंने एक लिंक दिया है इंस्टामोजो का, उस पे जाके पे कर सकते हैं, या आप गूगल पे कर सकते हैं, या आप एक इस नंबर पे मैसेज डाल सकते हैं, वो आपको बैंक डिटेल्स भेज देंगे, आप बैंक में भी ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं. वॉट एवर यू वुड लाइक दैट कैन बी डन मिस्टर तिवारी, वो ही हो सकता है. Any other questions for me? I have also sent the bank details here. Okay, Mr. Tiwari, I look forward to having you in the program. Any other questions for me? कोई और questions? Alma, can I help you in some way? Karen, Jasra. Online transfer, Alma, I have just shared the bank details just above your message, and there is a SWIFT code with which you can easily transfer. Yes, so if you pay today, our classes start on Thursday. (8 p.m. Second class on Monday 8 p.m. and third class again on Saturday 8 p.m. If you miss the classes आप जो अभी मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं वो ही लेंगे. हम जब आपकी डिस्कस करेंगे केस हिस्ट्री तब हम बात करेंगे कौन सा मेडिसिन चेंज करना है कौन सा नहीं. यस. And if you miss the classes, friends, you will get the recording. So recording is not a problem. No e-certificate in this because this is for patients or people who want to heal themselves. I give e-certificate in programs where I teach nutrition or functional medicine. Sorry, Michael. Okay. So if your husband is on insulin, he should do this. He should do this program, and then we can, figure out what more has to be done. My YouTube channel is Food, Medicine and Lives by Dr. Preeti. If you fill this, you will come to my channel. Yes. Alma, both on WhatsApp and on email, but majorly on WhatsApp, Alma, because this program runs on WhatsApp and it's a YouTube link which you get. Thanks, Michael, for joining. It was really nice to have you. One last big thing I want to share with all of you. If you do not like the first class, you can get 100% money back. अगर आपको फर्स्ट क्लास के बाद में लगता है कि आपको ये मजा नहीं आया, दिस इज नॉट व्हाट हैज हेल्प्ड यू, आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, ये तो मुझे पता ही है सब कुछ, पहले कुछ भी नया नहीं है, यू जस्ट हैव टू सेंड मी वन मैसेज कि यू नीड योर रिफंड, आई विल रिफंड योर मनी, नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड. Alma, we will make a group, WhatsApp group, and in that group, yes, messages will come every day on what is it that you have to do today. You will have to spend 10 minutes every day on your health and 3 1-hour classes each. If you attend, that will be great. Because the classes will be very, very personalized. Any other questions, friends? Time is up, but if you have any questions, I will love to answer them. I have given the YouTube name and you can just find it from there. For 9 days, Alma, you will not forget me because I am going to ask your sugar every day and your weight and your dietary recall, and I'm going to try and help you customize it depending on the results you share. It is both ways. Sometimes because your diabetes is not controlled, आपका weight कम हो जाता है. So अगर आप diabetes control करते हो तो weight बढ़ता है. Some patients you have to lose weight first to decrease your sugar levels. Some patients you have to decrease your sugar levels first to increase your weight or decrease your weight. It is again very, very, very personalized. Very personalized, and it is so amazing to learn more about your own health and insulin and pancreas that I promise you after first class you will not even think whether you joined the right program or not. You're going to love it. Right? Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful Sunday evening and hope to see you on Thursday. Bye-bye.